Igbos left the protest for Yoruba people to do in the Yoruba land, especially Lagos, where the threat was coming out from some unscrupulous Yoruba people that think that Igbos are very gullible because Igbos are in Lagos, developing Lagos. That is the reason why it will look as if Igbos don't have a place. They have. But the only thing is just that it's in the blood of an Igbo man, an average Igbo man, to develop anywhere he is. If you are quoting me wrong, that is in the blood of Igbo man to develop somewhere, check within your surrounding. How many Hausa people built both land and built mansions in your community? So that is where you are going to believe what I am saying. So Igbos coming to Yoruba land to develop Yoruba land doesn't mean they don't have a home. Go to their homes, you see skyscrapers, people don't live there just because they find it interesting in traveling. Go to the world, anywhere you go, you don't see an Igbo man run. There is danger there. I have traveled, I will tell you with experience. So this protest on the 5th day recorded low outcome of protesters in Lagos State. The 6th day went zero, nobody. You have decided to chase Igbo people with sentiments. And formally, they know this is a trap for Igbo people. Just few Igbos that came out made the first day of the protest in Lagos to look like something. But today, there is none. Yoruba people, all these ones, I'm talking about these ones that are talking nonsense from their mouth. Where are those your people that came to protest for good governance? Where are they? Have they traveled overnight? They said it will be 10th of August, it will end. But today is 6th. We are not seeing anybody in the street. What is happening? Why are they not protesting? You want to come and compare Igbo people with Yoruba people when it comes to strong things. Don't compare them. Everyone, God created everyone and gave him his power. Igbo people are very, very resilient. They are strong. Whatever they have decided to do, they will do it and finish it. Don't use Igbo people. Stop spreading this bigotry. You can't compare Yoruba with Igbo. Yoruba has their function. Igbo has their function. If you are not strong, there is somebody that is strong. When the strong things come, strong people will do it. When the things for the weak come, the weak will do it. That is why we all are human beings. We should accommodate everybody. Where is the protest? The protests have gone to Eldorado. This is not bigotry. It has gone. It has gone. Finally, it has gone. Let us learn from this. Let us learn from this. Everybody is important in all ramifications. We cannot be one. In character, in behavior, in all, we can be one. God bless all of you.